Okay, hello again. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can do Node.js development on Windows. So first, we need to install NetBeans IDE. So I install version 8.2. So 8.2 is the one that I would download. So you go to netbeans.org, downloads, then you select the one that NetBeans IDE that is suitable for HTML5 JavaScript. So if you have a 64-bit machine, you choose this one and you download this version. If you have a 32-bit machine, run NetBeans 8.2. Next thing that you need to install is Node.js. So you just do nodejs.org and the website will recognize your machine. Mine is x64 or 64 bits. Yours can be 32-bit. So you install that and run it. After you run it, you go through the steps and basically OK everything, and you'll have Node installed. So if you do cmd to get the command line for Windows, if you do node -v, that should give you version number of your installed node. Let's create a directory. And then you cd to that directory, cd my project, and then we do notepad app.js, and you will create a file. Basically we do, let's say, console.log hello from Node.js, and that's it. You can actually save that while you're exiting. Now you just do npm init. You can just OK everything here. The main script is app.js, so we do node app.js, and hello from Node.js is running. So apparently we can do Node.js development without NetBeans, or you can use Notepad++. But what we are going to do is we are going to set up NetBeans IDE. To do that, you need to have Cygwin installed. So Cygwin is a large collection of GNU and open source tools which provides functionality similar to Linux distribution and Windows. So open please your NetBeans application. So through, as you see, the Cygwin terminal is also available to us. We can do ls, and we can do make files, say mkdir my project. Alright, we can do my project, and then once we are in the project, we can see if we have Node available here. Certainly we do. So we can do Node development just like on a Linux machine here. But we are going to use IDE NetBeans. Before we do that, we need to make sure we have NetBeans is set up properly. So we go to Tools, then Options, and then HTML5.js. Okay, you need to add these CMDs and path to Node.js. So you can do search, and here, if it's not downloaded, please click here to download the source. It will show up here, and search for the Notepad. And for the Express, you need to run Express globally. Here you have install generator. So if you do that, basically it says how to install it. You copy this command, So Express generator with -g. You need to go to your Sigwin or CMD, doesn't matter, and install Express globally. Okay, now we install it, and as a result, we'll see the Express path in NetBeans, CMD, npm CMD, and your Node.js is already there. And then you OK. Now you should be able to do Node.js development right up here. So you just need to do new project, and I would choose HTML5 JS and just call it hello, and just go to next. You don't need to have any of these. The folders for your project will be created. All right, now I have the hello project. I go to site root, which is the public HTML. Here I right click and go to tools, open terminal, and it will go to the directory, root directory of my project. Now I can do npm init and just enter everything for simplicity. Now install Express locally in my Express app. So I do npm install Express -save. I should have in the site root node module package.json already created. Now I have to create a JavaScript file. I name it app. Now if we put in our app.js the Hello Express, I downloaded it from Express example on expressjs.com, and if I run the project, node app.js, so it's listing on port 3000. So if I go to browser, this is how you do this. You can get the browser. You click on Windows, you go to web, and then web browser, provided that you have selected this embedded WebKit. Another way to do that, you can click on the HTML file, existing one, and run it, and it will show you the browser. So if you do localhost, the port for Express, you should see hello world is shown on the client side from the server side. So I really hope this method works for you. Enjoy developing your own Node.js application. Thank you.